Okay, so here's a quick update on the Donkey Kong Sanyo 20EZ monitor that has had no progress since the summer. I've talked with a couple of people who've started to help me out and diagnose what's going on, and this is the part of the flow chart that we're following. So I've been checking the voltage at TP test point 91, and I get 130 volts. So at that point I should be over here, and I ask myself, is the voltage at pin 9 of IC401 about 0.6 volts, and it is. So at that point, now I'm at checking the power regulator, hold down, and high voltage circuits, which everything seems to be testing okay. And also to note is that there have been some parts that have been replaced, and those parts that have been replaced have been the IC401, the IC601 over here, and this 1090 voltage regulator at Q901 has also been replaced. So I think what I'm going to do next is use this spare 20EZ chassis and just kind of double check some of the values, even though some of the diodes were checking okay on my monitor. So I'll go ahead and I'm just going to start double checking and figuring out why I still get 130 volts even though the B+ pot and cap kit and filter cap have all been done, the flyback, everything like that's been done. So we're just going to keep, checking along. I've had, another set of eyes look for bad traces, lifted soldering points, lifted pads, anything like that, and I haven't had much luck in finding anything simple like that. So we do get high voltage at the monitor, and you will get a pop when you discharge the anode, and you can feel the static on it. So there is high voltage going there, it's just unadjustable below 130 volts. I've tried two IC601s, actually the original replacement, and then another one off of another 20EZ board. The hot is good. I've replaced the big IC401, and that's testing okay. And in fact, I don't even think that original one was bad. So we shall see where everything ends up. I'll keep you guys updated as I check things out. And if anybody has any ideas, feel free to let me know. Thanks a lot.